Just bear with me a sec while I get this set up here. Just bear with me a sec. Please say hello and let me know if you can hear me. All right, I am a couple of minutes early. We're just going to hang tight for a minute or two, and then we will get started. In the comments, please say hello and let me know where you're watching from. Well, hello, Pam. Glad you're here. I know where you're watching from. All right, I think we're going to get started here. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Stamp with Shel. My name is Shel Anderson, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Today I am doing a live unboxing of my pre-order for the September to December mini catalog. All I'm allowed to show you, unfortunately, at this time is the outside of the catalog. That's it, the outside cover. So, unfortunately, you're going to have to wait till you get your catalog to see the inside, but I am able to show you the goodies. So we are going to go in order as they appear in the catalog. All right, first up, we have 3 ephemera packs. This one is called Joyful Images. This one is called Tags for the Season. And this one is called Joyful Sayings. So we'll have a quick peek at each one of these. And I've taken the dies out of their envelopes and I've taken the plastic off as much as I could to make this go a little quicker. So these are die cut images. And there's 2 sheets of each, and these ones are gorgeous. Trying to make sure I'm in the camera here. Maybe if I turn them this way, it would be better. And there's 2 of that sheet. Oops, this one's popping out. And there's, what have I done? Oh, there it is. And there's 2 of that sheet. So that's really fun images to make some quick cards or scrapbook pages. And that is the Joyful Images. I'm not even going to try to put those back in. I'll put them in after the video. All right, next up is Tags for the Season. And this is, as you can guess, Christmas tags. So there's 2 sheets of each, I believe. Yep, there's 2 sheets of that. Oh, there's some nice big ones. 2 sheets of that. Oh, ones we can stamp, even better. 2 sheets of that. And 2 sheets of that. So that's that one. And the last ephemera pack that I got is Joyful Sayings. And these have all kinds of little they're greeting tags basically. And there's 2 sheets like this, 2 sheets like this, Oh, look at these. I haven't looked at anything, so we're looking at these together. Season's greetings, Christmas, holidays, happy, merry, and joy. There's 2 sheets of that. And there's Noel here. It's the one that's probably hard for you to see. And there's 2 sheets of that. So that is the joyful sayings. All right. Next item is the Reindeer Days Memory and More card pack. Now these make great scrapbook pages, but they make great cards too. So I'm just going to go through them so that you can see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of each of the big ones. So there's that one. Oh, that one's cute. That one. That one. Oh, and these are double-sided. They're just DSP on the back side. That's like a journaling card. And then there's sticker sheets. And there's 1, 2 of those. And 2 of those. So that's the large cards, but there's also small ones. So we'll have a look at those. And there's 2, 4, 6 of each of these as well. There's Enjoy the Gifts of the Season. There's Merry Christmas. Winter Blessings. Warm Wishes. Oh. And these are double-sided as well. I'm just showing you the main side. Christmas Tree and Believe in the Magic. Okay, so that is the Memories and More. What's it called? I'm on the wrong page. Reindeer Days, Memories and More. That's what it's called. So that is going to make some great quick and easy cards. And who doesn't love quick and easy? All right, next up, let me turn the page here and see where I'm at, because I'm going in order. We're going to do some sweets. This is the Season of Elegance suite. This is a huge suite. It has 2 bundles, and it has an embossing folder that I do not have. It has dots, ribbon, and 2 DSP. Oh, no, this is the wrong one. Just 1 DSP. There we go. All right, I think I've got all the elements except for the embossing folder. I did not get the embossing folder. So I will show you the sets. Peaceful Season is the greeting set with some fabulous greetings with mixed fonts. And the dies are, here's the word Christmas with the shadow. And then there's a whole bunch of tag dies that will fit the words in this bundle. And it's a photopolymer set so that we can see through it when we're stamping. And to coordinate with that, they've given us Peaceful Evergreens. This is beautiful. It is a red rubber stamp set. And it has a big 2-piece coordinating die set. So that's the stamps and dies. There is, oh, I should have opened this. Let me see if I can find my scissors. There is a beautiful ribbon. If I get it open, maybe. I thought I was doing so well before the video, opening all the plastic and taking stuff out. But I forgot this one. All right, there it is. Cherry cobbler and gold. Isn't that pretty? Hold that up there so you can actually see it. So that ribbon is part of that suite, as are these beautiful gold textured adhesive back dots. And it's going to coordinate with the Season of Elegance 12 by 12 specialty paper. And this stuff is beautiful. So we will just, one side's gold, one side is plain. So we have the old olive, now we have the vanilla, and the cherry. Mossy. Pretty peacock. Crumb cake. So that is that gorgeous DSP. And I'm just going to tuck that under there for now. So that is the Season of Elegance suite. I do not have the embossing folder. That's the only thing I did not get. Now, I think I missed something. Yes, I did. This is called A Little Bit Festive 12 by 12 DSP. This is just a standalone DSP. So we get to see this one together. Oh, I love that one. Oh, look at this. Card fronts, my friends, card fronts. That's a happy surprise. Oh, and decorations. Drums and trucks, pine cones, gifts, poinsettias, candy canes. This is cool. That is called A Little Bit Festive 12 by 12 Specialty DSP. All right. I guess that's why it stands alone, because it has all those die cuts in there. All right, next up, let me get all my pieces. I have this and this and this and these two. And this one. We have a 12 by 12 DSP called Reindeer Days. And if I can get it out of the sleeve here, we'll have a look. And while we're here, let's have a look and see if any of these get cut out by the die. This is the bundle. It's called Reindeer Fun. It's got 4 greetings and a bunch of images and coordinating dies. And I bet you this die cuts these out. No, it does not. I thought for sure it would. Nope, it does not. So if that was a question that you had, this DSP here particularly does not get cut out. That's side A. Side B is presents. We had this pattern last year, I think, with another paper pack. Oh, that's cute. Little reindeer heads and holly. Little reindeers and Christmas lights. More reindeer. Oh, and a nice plaid. Trees and deer. And little trees. We had this one last year too. And well, this one's cute. This little reindeer on skates. And jingle bells.
So that is the reindeer 12 by 12 DSP and the Reindeer Fun Bundle. Also part of this suite is the Forever Plaid 3D embossing folder, and it's a gigantic one. And there is Real Red and White Baker's Twine. And check these out. These are called Real Red and White Adhesive Back Peppermints. Aren't they cute? Love them. And the only other item in here is a box, a set of boxes. They're called book treat boxes. And apparently, when you fold them up, they're supposed to look like a book. So, we're going to pull one out and see what it looks like. Obviously a two-part box. And they're all, there's already, oh, isn't that cute? There's already tear and tape right on it. And on this one too. So you build your little box. And it goes inside. I don't know if I'm doing that right. It goes inside here so that when you open up your little book, isn't that cute? You open up the little book and there's a little box inside. Pretty cute. All right, that is the reindeer suite. Next up, let's turn the page and see what's next. Sentimental Christmas Suite. So, we have paper, ribbon, embellishments, and a bundle. Yes. Sentimental wishes. 4 really nice greetings. Some candles, a stocking, some holly, and a bow. It is a red rubber set. And the dies coordinate. Let me see what we've got for dies. We've got the stocking, the candles, the holly, and the bow. We've got all the dies for all the images. And to go with that, we have, let me get this ribbon open so you can have a close-up look. Maybe. I don't want to cut my ribbon. There we go. Check this out. Isn't that beautiful? It's sheer on the outside and satin on the inside, and it is just as soft as butter. And that is in Shaded Spruce. So that goes with, and then they have what they're calling, I think it's DRUSY, Drucy Adhesive Backed Embellishments. One of mine's popped off the card there, but they're in like a gold and a silver, I guess. So that's the bundle, but we have to look at this paper too. This is Sentimental Christmas paper. Oh, and I should say, for each pack of paper that you buy, Stampin' Up! Will donate $4 to support children's literacy. And for each suite you buy, they will also donate $4. So that's a good cause. Little deer, not reindeer, just deer. Oh, and I love that snowflake. Beautiful. Then we have ribbons and holly. and Christmas trees. Then we have stripes. And this one's kind of like an old-fashioned looking Christmas trees with candles on it. Then we have stockings. And oh, that's going to be a nice scrapbook page. Or it could be cards. You could cut that up into cards. And then we have ribbons and candy cane stripes. And then we have candles. And, ooh, another nice one for a scrapbook page. Love it. That is Sentimental Christmas. Okay, I need to get a sip of water. Hello, Miss Melanie. Glad you could join. All right, the next one is called The Nests of Winter. And I've had this one for quite a while. I was able to pre-order this like a month ago. And I forgot my embossing folder at the trailer, so I can't show you the embossing folder. The embossing folder is a birch wood. It's like a wood grain. Okay. So, as you can see, you've probably already seen this card on my blog post or Facebook. I'm just going to flip through here and show you these beautiful papers. There's like a nice muted side and then the bright one with the birds. I love this paper. This reminds me of painting my girlfriend did for me. Cute, cute. And there's that full page that I had cut up. On the flip side. And it's birch wood. And that's it. That is Nests of Winter. I'll get that back in that envelope because it's easy to put in that one. All right. Now, with that, there's the embossing folder. Then there's the Natural Tones linen thread. And I love the colors. Along with the Earth Tone Shimmer Gems. There's Vanilla, Crumb Cake, Garden Green, and Pecan, I think. I think that's what it is. And the bundle. Check that out. I imagine this one will go like hotcakes. And there is a frame die in here that is fabulous. And then all the dies that coordinate with the stamps. That is Winterly Treetops bundle. All right, let me get this out of the way. And I'll turn the page to the Snowy Scenes Suite. Now, I need to find the paper. Somehow, there it is. I got my papers out of order. Now, I didn't get everything in this suite. There are snowflakes, little white snowflakes. I did not get them because I have some left over from last year. And there was a pool party pom-pom ribbon, which didn't speak to me personally, so I didn't get it. This is the Snowy Wonder Bundle. This is so cute. There's a snowman, his hat, candy cane, snowflake, trees, mountains, more trees, presents, snowflakes, holly and berries, this little penguin, and a little cabin. And there are 3 greetings in this set. Photopolymer, so we can see through it when we stamp. And there is a snow globe and a dome that will fit on this base. So you can make a scene inside a snow globe. Or you can do them just without, okay? Whatever is your pleasure. But I thought that was really cute. Now, we're going to take a look at this gorgeous paper. You don't know how hard it was for me not to look at this stuff. I like being surprised. So there's some snow globes. And the flip side is green snowflakes. Looks good. And obviously these will be cut out with a die. And the flip side is peach snowflakes. Or maybe it's petal pink, I think is what it is. And then we have side A and a nice plaid. Some penguins and some orange trees. I like that this paper is not all traditional. It's a little out there. Then we have some holly and berries and some stripes. And we have some houses and some candy canes. And that is the end of the snowy scenes. All right, next is a fall and winter set. It is called Regal Winter. My squeaky chair here. Let me get everything I need here. This one has 2 paper packs, some ribbon, some embellishments, all kinds of goodies. So let me get this open. Check out this Blackberry Bliss and gold ribbon. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. And then there's these Regal foiled gems. And obviously these are going to coordinate with the papers. We'll open them up so you can see all those. And the bundle. Nice fall flowers, some dots, some greetings. Red rubber. And the dies. Ooh, check out these. Well, that's just one die. I thought it was 2. It's a double border that is like little dashes. And then there are the dies to cut out. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of the images. So we've got the image dies, some greenery, and then a greeting die. Perfect. All right, let's check out the DSP. There's 2 packs here. One's a specialty called Regal Distressed Patterns. So, single-sided. So, not double-sided. So there's white with gold, cherry with gold, peacock with gold, and there's 2 of each. Yes, there is. 2 of each. Beautiful. I love this one. I love this one. And this one you could use in so many different areas. That is the Regal Distressed Patterns. Now, this one is Regal Winter. Slice it open and have a peek. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. And the flip side. Oh, it's kind of like a muted pattern on the back. And there's the front again. And there's the front in wild wheat. I love that one. And the back of the wild wheat is the plaid. We have another floral. And the back of the floral, ooh, is a blue floral. And then we have this blue and white floral. And the back of that is just kind of a distressed pattern. And then we have the blackberry floral. I love that one. And the flip side. Wow. They've got the pinks, they've got the blackberry, and they've even got red in there. And look at it. It goes so well. I didn't ever put those colors together. And then the wild wheat plaid. That is Regal Winter. All right. Next up is Splendid Autumn. You get all of these. This is another suite, but you can buy them separately with the Autumn Expressions bundle. And I love the greetings in this one. Red rubber. May the beauty of the season fill your heart with joy. Change can be beautiful. Grateful for you. You've got this. Dear friend, have a perfectly lovely day. So you can see that that's for a lot of different occasions. Christmas, Thanksgiving, support, a birthday. Like, it could be anything. And the dies, check this out. This is a one-piece die, and it's a frame so that you can put something in the frame. And then there's the dies to cut out all these images as well. And there's a chain to hang it. But when I saw this, I saw a purse. Okay? So just keep that in mind. I am sure we will see lots and lots with that. Now, this stuff. I'm a real wild wheat fan, and I wasn't. I thought I'd hate it. This is sheer ribbon in the middle, and it has white, 3 rows of white stitching, and then it is wild wheat on the outside, and it is just as soft as butter. So it's going to make beautiful bows. And then there are the faux glass dots. And there's those beautiful fall colors. And along with those are these woven golden leaves. And I think they're all the same size, but we'll get in here and have a look. Yep, they're all the same size. And there's like texture and pattern. I don't know whether the camera's picking it up. They're sheer gold leaves with pattern in it. Like you can see the leaf pattern. Probably shouldn't have taken those out. But anyway, I did. Let's just put them back here until after the video. And the last item in this suite is the 6x6 DSP. And if I can get it open, we'll have a peek. All right. Let's look through here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of each. There's side A and side B. Side A and side B. Ooh, I love that one. side A and side B. Perfectly coordinated. This one's pretty. Looks like you're walking through a tunnel or like down a lane into trees. And side B. Ooh, this one's nice. Side A and side B. All of this is beautiful stuff. See how perfectly that coordinates? So you could cut this up into 2 or 3 strips and use this on the front and stretch your cardstock or your DSP. Oh, that's pretty. Almost looks like a painting. And the back side is Mossy Meadow. This one. And the back side is blue. Pretty, pretty. Oh, there's some more of that wild wheat. Oh, look at this. And the back side is yellow. And then there's this one. I'm sure this is going to be very popular. Beautiful for fall. So there we have that. All right, next on the agenda is another paper pack. This was part of a bundle, but I didn't get the bundle. The bundle was a die and the paper, okay, which is kind of strange for a bundle for us. But it is, the die makes bows, like big bows that go on packages at Christmas time, you know, that have all those loops in it. And it just didn't speak to me. It may speak to you, but it didn't speak to me. But I did want the paper. And with this one, we're getting how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Holy. 8, 9, 10, 12 of each. So there's side A and side B. Side A and side B. Side A and side B. Pretty, pretty. This is the last. Side A and side B. Lots of choices there. All right. And now, what are we doing? I don't have any of that stuff. All right, now we're into just bundles. Decorative Trees bundle. It is a clear bundle. And let's close it up so we can see what the dies coordinate with. Oh, check these out. A plaid tree, a polka dot tree, a striped tree, a snowflake tree. Holy! Check all this out. There's garland and bows and a star and Christmas balls and a stand. Wow! I didn't expect that. That's the Decorative Trees bundle. Next up is Christmas Friends bundle. This is a red rubber stamp and perfect for coloring and coordinating dies. We have we have presents, we have ribbon, we have bows, We have wreaths, or you know what I mean, like pine boughs, when you'd put a bow on there. We have stars, music notes, dies to cut out all of these, and a little word bubble. How cool is that? Christmas Friends Bundle. Next up is the Hang and Ornament Bundle. It is a photopolymer bundle. And if you check this out, there's a space missing when you stamp these. That's for you to put your greeting in. How cool is that? Or there is things here where you can tear. You put the word pull and they'll tear it open and there's something inside. And there's obviously all the dies that coordinate with all the images as well. Hang and Ornament Bundle. Next up is One of a Kind Bundle. This is a photopolymer stamp set that has to and from, which is perfect for making gift tags. Thank you for your kindness. A little something just for you. Sending a flurry of happy wishes. You're a one-of-a-kind, wonderful friend. Hope you have the merriest season ever. And they're small, like they're not huge, right? So it's kind of geared towards tags a little bit. And it has the die to cut out this big snowflake that you can stamp. Plus there is a standalone die for just cutting out a sparkly snowflake. That is the One of a Kind bundle. Next up, a punch bundle called Humble Home. Thank you for coming. Merry Christmas for the sweet gift. So thank you for the sweet gift. Welcome home to and from our house to yours. And then there's two different houses, some doors and windows, a wreath, and a heart. And the punch cuts out the house and the window, and there's a little heart as well, and a little circle. If you were making a tag, that's what that's all about. Yeah. All right. Humble Home Bundle. More Than Autumn. Another fall set that is photopolymer. This one reminds me of Melanie. It's got iced coffee, gingerbread, marshmallows, sprinkles, apples and pumpkins, cinnamon sticks, straws, candy cane, pumpkin pie, donuts, and tons of greetings. Nothing's better than you had me at, to my, grateful is it's finally, except maybe you, hello is the best, this calls for, love you more than, pumpkin, donuts, hot cocoa, season, autumn, peppermint, spice, pie, fall, apple, eggnog, and cider, and you are the, and then there's and words, my friends, words. Let me see if I can read them all. Cocoa, pumpkin, apple, hot, coffee, I can't read that one. Spice, pumpkin, seasons, all kinds of good stuff in there. More Than Autumn. bundle. We're nearing the end, my friends. Frozen Edges. This is a different bundle. It's red rubber, and it has icicles, snowflakes, a single snowflake, and 3 greetings. Let yourself rest, wishing you a cozy day, snuggle up and hope for snow. And then the coordinating dies, there's a snowflake border, there's an icicle border, and 4 different snowflakes. So that is going to be fun. Not really Christmas, it's just winter, right? Then we're into Christmas. Dear Santa, hope your holidays are sweet. Always hanging with you. Have an ice Christmas. And this guy's on skates. These 2 are hanging ornaments. This one is writing a note to Santa. And this one's eating cookies. Red rubber, no dies, just a standalone stamp. And another standalone stamp, which is red rubber as well. A stocking that says fa la la. A top hat that says Noel. A tree that says love, peace, and joy. And a present that says my gift to you. So basically you could use these for tags, or you can make your cards and just like put a piece of DSP on your card front and then stamp this on a smaller matted image. Be really cute. Festive words. And we have the only background stamp in this catalog is called Falling Snow, and it is red rubber, and it is falling snow. Another one for fall called Caring Leaves. There's the outline image and then the fill-in image. And the greetings say, some things never change. You're simply the best. And this one's photopolymer. This one is called Warms My Heart. Deck the halls with wreaths and holly. Memories of you warm my heart. I would pick you over and over again. And hey pumpkin. So this girl has a pumpkin. This girl has apples. Deck the hall with wreaths and holly. This girl has a wreath. And memories of you warm my heart. This girl is looking at a snow globe. And this one is red rubber. Last stamp set. Love and Strength. I think this might be my favorite stamp set of the whole catalog, if you can believe that. There is hope. It's okay if all you did today was breathe. You matter. I am here for you. Sharing love and strength this season, even when your brain tells you otherwise. And there's mountains, a little splotch, I guess, or snow. It could be snow. A heart, a little plant with berries, and a flower. And this one is red rubber. Love this one. And the last item that I have to show you is something sparkly. Something sparkly. This is called Festive 12 by 12 glimmer paper. And I'm not going to pull it all the way out. There is 2 sheets of red, 2 sheets of green, and 2 sheets of granny apple green. And it is sparkly. And that, my friends, is the end. That's a whole lot of stuff. So I am looking forward to getting back into it and creating with this stuff. We will be back 1st of September. We're going to be back with videos and regular blog posts. I took some time this summer just to enjoy a little bit. But we will be back with bells on the 1st of September. I will be back next week with blog posts with one of the new online exclusive sets that is Christmas related. So watch for posts all next week on that one. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me. All right, bye-bye. Have a good evening.